Burnout at the light. Broken down. Oh! Supra just span out. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today, you join me at Merrick. We have not been in this location in a very long time. Now tonight, it's Berkshire Street Cruisers. It's their first meet of the year. It should be a busy one. I've seen Facebook posts, Instagram posts being shared about this meet. So we're here a little bit early to film arrivals. It should be a busy one. We arrived in the Mark 1 MX5 with the roof down. It's been an absolutely lovely day. The past week for weather's been absolutely sick. I've got sunburn from Jap Fest last week. And yeah, as you can see, my face is red. But yeah, let's just get to it. We've got a Mark 2 MX5 with their roof down. We've got a Mini popping away. We got two Mark 1 MX5s. Let's get over to where we film arrivals. Hasn't even started yet, and the police are already arriving. She waved. They've been in the meet, they are already leaving, which is a very good sign. They're taking it easy. We have an R33 Skyline, the first Skyline we've seen today. Turboed as well. Someone let me know in the comments what car that is. That looks, oh! Someone's doing a burnout at the lights. What the hell? What's going on? Got Supra arriving. Got Focus ST. I'm not sure what car that is doing the burnout, but look at that. Wait, I'm not sure if it was a burnout because the person's now got out. Oh my god. The flames were massive. I think we're gonna go and have a look and see what's going on up here. Right, it just looks like the car may be overheated, but we're gonna head back to the roundabout now. We have a chaser with graphics on the side, and we have another chaser just there, and the police have once again just arrived. That looks well nice. Oh, they've just literally done a turn. I'm now in the road. Oh, look at the Evo as well. The Fiat 500 is currently getting pushed. At least it's now off the A33. Subaru lineup right now, check that out. What a sight. First we got the Mark 7 though. Oh my god. This is so loud, this BMW. Another wheel. Everyone's just going back round the roundabout. We're now heading to the lights because not much is arriving because it's quite late now, so we're going to head to the exit. That's all we got at the lights at a good time. Another police car has just pulled in. We got a pink BMW, that looks well nice. Not expecting that at all. Pretty sure I heard a turbo just then. Is it misfiring? I think the car is fully broken down now. It sounded like it was just misfiring like mad. That's rapid. Oh my god. Then we got the RX-7 just there. Flaming once again. Police leaving, always a good sign. Is this another car that is broken down? What the hell's going on? Oh right, it's the Fiat from earlier. He's hitting the VTEC. Some of it. so low, it just scrapes so badly. Oh! No! Better thinking, what the heck is going on? There was flames, I completely missed that. Oh! Oh my god! So they all headed to the second location, which is over in Basingstoke. Got two chasers over here and the Audi, which has like two-step. I don't know what to film here. It's got to be the chasers, hasn't it? You got the R33. He smashed that. Oh, look at the E46. Oh, look at the E46. That IS is so loud as well. Oh my. Oh, they've brought a van. Oh, the Supra's just spun out. Oh my god. What on earth is going on? We've got people breaking down, people almost spinning out, and we've got the Mark 5 just spun out. Oh no. Oh, he was not happy. The Deadpool Mark 7. Turn his wipers on. Police car rolling out, a police van rolling out, and a second police car rolling out. So we're now back in the Mark 1 MX5 heading home. Hopefully you have all enjoyed this video. That was it for Berkshire Street Cruisers. Hopefully you can hear me with the roof down. Absolutely sick meat. Yeah, if you are new to my channel, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe. It's much appreciated. And I will catch you all in the next video. Peace out. We've got the mini